Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate for you. So, this is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Start natin ang reading. Jing Tarot Reader, guys. Paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. So, yung magbibigay ng personal reading sa'yo. So, anyway, for air sign. Kunin natin yung energy mo. Oh, wow. You do have here the Eight of Cups, the King of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Six of Cups. Someone is helping you. Maybe a friend. Yeah. There's someone na tinutulungan kang mabago, or actually I can see you being the King of Pentacles. Pwedeng ma-achieve mo yung success na malapit na actually this is actually the future that you're looking for with the Eight of Cups. Page of Pentacles, nakakita tayo dito ng pagbabago ng direksyon. May nakikita tayong nagpo-push talaga sa'yo na gawin mo to, gawin mo yan. For some of you, nape-pressure ka eh. Kasi may times na tinatamad ka, ayaw mo naman talagang gawin. But, parang, with the Page of Wands, tinutulungan ka talagang, hindi, halika, gawin natin to, punta tayo sa ganito, ganyan. So, may someone ako nakikita na tumutulong sa'yo, like, nagiging influence, malaking influence sa buhay mo ngayon, na kaya ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo, or makakarating ka sa destination mo, is because of this person. There's this particular person. Kaya kung may mga times tinatamad ka, etong taong to, parang yung iba sa inyo ginagawa mo dahil sa hiya. Pero malaki talaga magiging influence niya sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guys, please tell me for air sign. What's with the Page of Pentacles? I like your energy. You do have the Four of Swords and the Star. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi ko nakikitang mahihirapan ka na maabot yung pangarap mo. Kasi I can still see you na parang kalmado ka lang eh. No? Yung iba, ang hirap-hirap bago maabot yung pangarap nila. Ang daming pagdadaanan, ang daming pagsubok. But you, hindi eh. Talagang nandito ka sa mga tamang tao sa buhay mo ngayon na makakatulong para maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Someone is really guiding you right now. Diba? Nakikitaan ka nitong tao na ito ng potensyal. So, kaya hindi kanya iniiwan. This person is loyal to you. No? Loyal siya sa, kumbaga mahaba pasensya niya. Alam niya yung ugali mo na ganyan-ganyan. Iba sa inyo pwedeng baliktad yung oras mo. So, pwedeng iba sa gabi gising, sa umaga tulog. So, alam niya yung ugali mong ganyan or yung kaugalian mong ganyan. Pero, okay lang kahit hindi ka ganun ha. For some of you ganun. Pero, andyan pa rin siya, nakagabay pa rin siya. This person is willing to be your guide, to help you. You do have here the Devil and the Temperance. Ayan. Sagittarius and Capricorn energy. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. Oh. The Queen of Pentacles, nakakita ko ng person who is, you are the King of Pentacles. Maybe ito yung person na hinihintay mo. And the Three of Cups is here. You are the King of Pentacles. Paparating na itong si Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this is like some kind of partnership. May reconciliation. I can see celebration sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. The Devil is here. There's this new beginning sa inyong dalawa. I don't know. Iba sa inyo may soulmate connection sa inyo ng person na ito eh. But what's with the Devil? The King of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. So, this is money. Malayo ang mararating mo with this person. And I'm seeing like maybe an investor with the Devil. Or someone na parang I feel like may mga babanggitin siya or sasabihin siya sa'yo na parang hindi ka makakatanggi. And it's okay kasi nakikita natin with the Ten of Pentacles, this could lead into prosperity, money, success. Okay. Pagdating sa love, please tell me for air sign. Messages for love. Four of Cups. Okay. Meron tayo ditong person na nakikita na might be hindi ka masyadong sure sa person na ito, pero this person ay mag-o-offer ng something sa'yo. This could be a relationship with the lovers. Gemini energy. And tell me about the offer. Oh, Eight of Pentacles. Pwedeng relationship na may kinalaman sa pera. This person, nakikita natin siya magte-take ng risk in the future with you with the Nine of Cups. And may nakikita tayong offer. I feel like you're not so sure. Kasi might be yung offer niya, may kailangan kang i-end or i-cut off or tapusin bago mo i-accept itong new beginnings or offer mula dito sa taong to. Kaya hindi ka masyadong sigurado. I can see a young energy towards this person. What is the advice for air sign? Yeah, the advice for you is to take it with the Queen of Cups. Kailangan mong i-accept. Queen of Cups. Yeah, medyo magiging mahirap. But the Page of Cups, nakikita natin na mas madudugsungan pa yung or mas may papamalas, may lalabas mo pa yung creativity mo once you accepted this offer mula dito sa... And besides, this is what you want with the Knight of Wands. Ito rin yung gusto mo. So, there's this yes or no regarding this person. And the offer here, maybe may kinalaman sa stability. Kailangan mo siyang i-accept. What will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for you. What will happen in the near future for you? Air sign. Oh, yeah, I told you, you do have the sun. You can be this person na masaya. Oh, you do have the Five of Wands. Wag mo na, this is you with the Five of Wands and the Hangman. Kung lalabanan mo kung ano man itong offer sa'yo, magkakaroon ng And you would focus on your own priority. Pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkakagulo, pagkakaaway, or like, you deal with the Ace of Cups and the Emperor. Kailangan mo talagang i-accept yung offer eh. Mag-grow yan ng malaki para sa'yo with the Seven of Pentacles. May pag-aaway nga lang tayo nakikita. Yung iba dahil hindi mo i-accept or possible na paghintayin mo ng matagal. The Eight of Swords is here. I can see na pa yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon ng mas matagal pa if you wouldn't accept this offer. Three of Pentacles. There's definitely growth here. Pero kailangan mo talagang i-accept ang offer na ito para mangyari yung growth na yan for you. Or else, yeah, the Five of Swords. Nagpakita na to kanina, but with the Five of Swords, yan, ikaw lang yung makakapagpabago dyan. Okay? Offer sa yan, you know, maybe, I feel like this is what you've prayed for. So, kung ano yung pinag-pray mo in the past, maaaring dumating na sa'yo ito. And I can see an offer na paparating sa'yo. Pero kailangan mo tanggapin, kailangan mo i-accept kasi magbubunga ng malaki ito sa'yo in the future. Okay? Kung hindi mo i-accept, possible some of you hindi i-accept ito. I can see paglalaban or pag-aaway, and I can see you being stuck sa situation. And magiging malungkot or masakit para sa'yo, and may panghihinayang regrets kung hindi mo i-accept ang offer na ito. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like.